Have you ever tried to test an app that requires shaking a device, only to realize your virtual device doesn't seem to have that feature? It can be really frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to show you how to make your Genymotion virtual device shake. I completely understand how annoying it is when you're trying to test something and the tools just don't cooperate. You're definitely not alone in this. Many users have faced the same challenge with Genymotion. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user recently asked, "How can I make my virtual device shake in Genymotion?" They were eager to test an app that relies on device shaking but couldn't find a way to do it. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together and find a solution. So why is this happening? Genymotion is a powerful Android emulator, but it doesn't always have the same physical features as a real device. However, there are ways to simulate shaking, and we'll walk through those steps together. And stick around. At the end of this video, I have a bonus tip that will enhance your testing experience even further. To make the virtual device shake in Genymotion, the user should first open the Genymotion application and start the virtual device they want to test. Next, the user needs to access the control panel for the virtual device. This can be done by clicking on the device's screen to bring up the toolbar. Once the toolbar is visible, the user should look for the Shake button. This button is typically represented by a shaking icon. After clicking the Shake button, the user can observe the virtual device responding as if it were being physically shaken. This allows for testing the app's shake functionality. Finally, the user can repeat the shaking action as needed to test different scenarios within their application. Fun fact, did you know that the first mobile phones were so bulky that they could double as a weapon? Thankfully, technology has come a long way since then. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative method to shake your Genymotion virtual device is to use the sensor simulator application. This approach works for devices with API levels under 15. For more advanced testing, consider using the Android Studio emulator with Google APIs for Android 6.0. This emulator supports all sensors and is known for its speed. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. One alternative solution is to use a tool called Frap, which is available for Mac users. This tool can send a shake action to your Genymotion virtual device. Additionally, you can try using the command adb shell input key event 82. This command may either simulate a shake, wake the device, or act as a menu key press, depending on what you're trying to achieve. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative solution from another user suggests that to shake your virtual device in Genymotion on Windows, you can simply press Ctrl, Shift, and M together. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Consider using Genymotion's GPS features to test location-based shaking. This can add another layer to your app testing. And there you have it. You can now shake your Genymotion virtual device with ease. Remember, testing is crucial for app development. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on optimizing your virtual device settings.